first niya yung Relax?
First niya, I think, yeah. Well, dati I think nagka-cameo rin siya sa mga movies nung ano pa siya, nung bata pa siya. Pero ngayon lang ulit siya at siguro
how's the feeling na you saw your mom sa big screen?
Hindi ko pa napapanood.
Ay, di pa.
Pelikula, pero
date kayo.
Tapos pag labas. Wala na ba? Hindi na pinapanood. Sayang.
I'm sure may copy si Miss Pia.
I'm sure. I think nag-enjoy talaga siya kasi sinabi niya talaga yun. Parang she was super happy rin when she got it. And yun, yung kinukahit nila sa akin. Nag-enjoy din siya.
Galing. And speaking of movies, yung hashtag Why Mo, i-show siya next month.
Yeah, next month. I'm so happy na parang mapapalabas siya ulit, but now it's like a bigger
commercial
audience,
release na.
It's hashtag Why, diba?
Hashtag Why. Papalabas ulit siya ngayon. It's commercial release naman. And yun, it's a blessing talaga. Kasi first time ko magsinimalaya. Tapos
first time mo may sex scene.
First time na maraming
yun pinag-uusapan.
Maraming sexy, maraming revelation sa movie. And papalabas din siya ulit. So commercial release. So marami talaga makakapanood even outside ng Manila. So I'm really happy na mag-release ngayon. In fact, nag-VO ako, nag-voice over ako for the movie yesterday lang kasi may may surprise ulit sa movie.
Yun nga.
May dagdag.
For those who watched it before, dapat panoorin ulit kasi may
yun nga, we heard surprise. Some things na
anong clue?
May mga
Di pwede?
Clue? Hindi pa pwede sa movie.
Are these changes sa plot or just minor changes na
additional scene?
Konting-konti lang siya, konting-konti. Pero sa konting yun, may twist talaga.
Yun nga, narinig din namin yung mga changes na sa movie.
Meron talaga.
May studio ba na nag-release or like big film outfit na nag-commercial release na movie mo?
It's gonna be released by Star Cinema. Pero
Star Cinema. So, just like other Cinemalaya entries, kasi lahat ng nirelease nila,
The Janitor,
they hold the promotion. So, ibig sabihin, dadalaw ka doon to do the...
Hindi ko pa natatanong yun actually. Pero, yes.
Kasi like Dennis Trillo went there for Janitor, tapos yung mga taga-GMA Artist Center went there for Hari ng Tondo. So pwede ka namin makita doon pala.
Hopefully, maybe.
Actually, kasi diba pag Cinemalaya naman, grabe yung mga mental discussions or like, you know, sa tingin mo, ano talaga ang main, for, you know, as a part also of invitation for people to watch sa commercial release, ano talaga ang lesson ng hashtag Why? Because medyo gray yung area na yun eh. Kasi it's suicidal, you know, teen, you know, stuff like that. So ano talaga ang lesson ng hashtag Why and why should they watch it?
I think it's really, if you think about it, it's really parang, it's a disturbing discussion. Pero ang target talaga ng hashtag Why is to yun nga, mapag-usapan itong to make people aware about this situation talaga na may mga nangyayari talagang ganito in the Philippines, may sa bansa natin, and parang it's not there naman to make it cool or to make it seem na ito yung dapat gawin ng generation namin. But it's more of awareness lang na totoong ganito nga ang ito na ang pinupuntahan ng generation ng Generation Y. And it shows lang na depression can be something that you can do something about it.
Which part of Miles, diba? Of Miles' character ang nagigets mo? Like you as Elmo?
Nagigets ko yung part na as a teenager, may mga taong like hindi talaga maiintindihan yung tumatakbo sa isip mo. And ikaw lang talaga makakapagsabi kung ano yung tama para sa'yo. Like, you are responsible for the things that you listen to, kung ano yung mga importante sa'yo, kung ano yung mahalaga na dapat mong
Which one to believe and
maintindihan,
which one to not to believe.
which one to believe and which not to believe. And that's part of maturity. That's part of teenager moving on to an adult life. Na malaman mo kung ano yung tama at saka kung ano yung mali.